Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the main riff of the song Thought Contagion by Muse. It's a riff where we play chromatic scales. It's not so difficult to play and it's in standard tuning. So just take your guitar and let's begin. To play this melody in the right tempo and clean, it's really important that you pay attention to which fingers we're going to use in the left hand and which direction are we going to pick in the right hand, if we play down or up. So take it slowly and pay attention to that. And we start with the pinky finger on the 7th fret 4th string. And we play that tone 3 times, but listen to the rhythm and watch the direction that I use. I start down, up, down, down, up, down. You get it? After that, we have 6, 5, 4. And from the 7 was down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So from the beginning is okay, and then we move the index finger to the 3rd fret. And we play that tone 4 times, like this. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. So from the beginning. And then we come back to the 7th fret with the pinky finger, but in the 5th string. And it's up with the pick, 6, down, 5, up, and now we skip the 4th and we come directly to the 3rd fret to play down. That's the first tone of the 2nd measure. So if I play the whole first measure to the first tone of the 2nd measure, it sounds like this. Okay, I show you one more time. Okay, so we have to open the hand a lot. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and one more time. 1, 2, 3, and okay. So now let's take the 2nd measure. The rhythm is the same in the right hand, but not the same strings as the first measure. But we start with that tone that we ended, 3rd fret of the 5th string, and we play that 3 times, like this. Down, up, down, up, down, okay? And after that we do 4, 5, 6, and 7. Watch my right hand. Okay, so when we arrive to the 7, it must be a downstroke. I'm going to show you from the beginning, measure 1 and half of the 2nd measure until the 7th fret. And let's try that part together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try that one again. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so after the 7th fret on the 2nd measure, we play that 3 times. Down, down, up, down, down, up. And then we come to the 3rd fret, 4th string, and we play 3, 4, 5, 6. And the pick is down, up, down, up. So I'm going to play the 2nd measure. And then we start from the beginning again. It's a repetition. Okay, it was 7th fret with a pinky finger on the 4th string. So let's try together the 2nd measure, and we play the 1st tone of the 3rd measure as well. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so now I'm going to show you 1st and 2nd measure and 1st tone of the 3rd. And let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... And they just keep repeating that riff. So let's try to play it 2 times. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and... And that was Thought Contagion by Muse. Remember to subscribe to my channel to be updated with my new videos, and if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, and you can visit my website EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials. If there's a song that you want to learn and you don't find it in my web, just write me a comment and I'm going to do a video for that song. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.